Hi everyone, and welcome to iMusingz. Have you ever felt like your home's energy is just off? Despite trying all the usual tricks, crystals, salt, maybe even a lucky cat working overtime, does something still feel unbalanced? Well, the answer might not be about what you bring into your home, but what you let in. And I'm talking about the most ancient, sacred, and powerful force we know, sunlight. After more than 30 years of practicing and teaching Feng Shui, exploring everything from black hat Bagua to 8 mansions and the dynamic flying stars, I've come to deeply believe that the sun, or Taiyang Qi, is the most important life energy giver for our spaces. Today, we're diving into how to harness solar energy not just for your solar panels, but as a Feng Shui powerhouse that can activate, harmonize, and truly transform your home and your life. Ready to let the sunshine in? So what exactly is this solar energy in Feng Shui terms? We call it heavenly Qi or Tian Qi, the most direct and pure life force from the cosmos. Sunlight wakes up the passive yin energy and supercharges the active yang energy in your environment. As the ancient I Ching wisely says, the sun rises over the earth, the image of progress. Thus, the superior man himself brightens his bright virtue. Sunlight isn't just light, it's virtue in motion, actively improving your space. Now, how your home greets the sun is crucial. Your home's orientation makes a huge difference. South-facing homes? They're Feng Shui gold. Basking in sunlight all day, they're fantastic for vibrant family life and success, full of that powerful Yang Qi. East-facing homes greet the sunrise. Think new beginnings, health, and growth. Amazing for young families or anyone needing a fresh start. West-facing homes catch that beautiful setting sun. This energy supports completion, reflection, great for elders or creative projects. North-facing homes get the least direct sun. These often need a little boost. Think mirrors, brighter lighting, or strategic color to get the energy flowing. So if your house feels a bit dark or stagnant, ask yourself, how is it greeting the sun each day? Let's talk about the Bagua map. In the Black Hat School, we overlay this energy map on your home's floor plan, usually from the front door. Each area, or gua, relates to an aspect of your life like wealth, health, or relationships. Imagine aligning sunlight with these areas. For instance, want to energize your financial prospects? Invite morning sunlight into your wealth sector. That's the far left corner from your front door. A strategically placed crystal here can amplify that light. Invite morning sunlight into your wealth sector. That's the far left corner from your front door. A strategically placed crystal here can amplify that light. The fame and reputation area, typically the center back, loves the sun because its element is fire. A sun-drenched plant or even a vibrant red accent here can work wonders. And the health sector, right in the center of the left side of your home? Keep it bright and uncluttered. Sunlight here strengthens your whole home's qi. A little tip. You can use a compass app to find your directions, but also trust your intuition. Feel how the light shifts in your home. Observe. Then there's the 8 mansion school, or Bagua. This system personalizes Feng Shui by categorizing you and your home into an east or west group based on birth dates and the home's sitting direction. What are your favorite ways to bring sunlight into your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next exploration into creating a life and home you love. Thanks for watching. Let the light in, and I'll see you next time.